Welcome to International News Network.
Good day. Water seems to be one of the biggest issues the emergency services in Euland are dealing with. On the one hand, there's the lack of drinkable and fresh water. This can result in a situation with many infections and diseases. In reaction to the latest disaster in Euland, the EU has sent a team of specialists to coordinate assistance in the areas that are affected by the earthquake and the tsunami.
Close to the city of Montana, an EU search and rescue team conducted a search and rescue operation at the Augusta Dam. After the earthquake, a giant wave caused a landslide and several men and women were washed away. Some fishermen and tourists tried to escape by running up a hill. The search and rescue team found 3 dead and rescued 7 people.
On the other hand, there is the heavy rainfall. Flooded rivers coming from the mountains are causing more human tragedy. People are drowning and bodies are floating through streets. In many cities, traffic comes to a stand. It seems there's a lack of capacity to deal with this situation. Also, minor aftershocks were felt, hindering the search and rescue operations.
In the city of Montana, 2 search and rescue teams using rescue dogs started the search for survivors at the International Hotel. The EU rescue teams discovered 3 bodies and found 19 people alive. As a result of the earthquake, construction materials fell on the roof of the hotel's restaurant. Many people stayed at the hotel for a convention and were trapped and isolated in the conference hall. The search is still ongoing and the teams will continue working during the night as stated by the EU.
A ship with chemical contamination has stranded near the shores of the Maasvlakte. We received footage from our correspondent and the Coast Guard. It is yet unknown how many people are still on board. This was James Watson, INN.